Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a while, but I'm back and let's get straight into it. Let's talk about the July Lengbox and how to use the products. Here it is. As we all slowly integrate back into society and start seeing our friends again and hopefully go on holiday, I wanted to put together a box that will help with that. So July's Lengbox focuses on body care, skincare and makeup. And to help you guys stay safe, I've also thrown in an extra freebie, which is this mask. There is limited quantity, so it's first come first served. So this KF94 mask usually retails at about $2.50 on its own, but it's free with your July Lengbox. It's super snug and it's super comfortable, and it really just adjusts and sort of molds into the shape of your face. First up, I want to show you guys this Etude House lip tint, and it's actually the colour that I have on right now. As you can see, it comes in a super cute ice cream packaging, and it also leaves a very nice natural kind of tint that doesn't budge either. It also has a really light and refreshing grape scent to it. Next up is a Aloe soothing toner. It's suitable for all skin types. It can be used day and night time. All you need to do is apply it to a cotton pad or to your hands and then dab it all over your face. This toner is perfect for when you're feeling a little bit oily and you just want something light and refreshing on your face. It's also great for those days when you've had just a little bit too much sun. Next is a body lotion. It's super lightweight but really moisturizing, and it smells like summer. First is the Innisfree Lime Sheet Mask. So it has a really thin water-like consistency and it's perfect for hydrating and brightening your skin. Next up is a Cucumber Sheet Mask. So this one is perfect for those days where your skin is just feeling a little bit heated, a little bit irritated, and you just need something to cool it. And last but not least, this super cute Melon sheet mask, which is great for soothing irritated skin that has been exposed to sun for a little bit too long. To use your sheet mask, all you need to do is make sure your face is clean, take one sheet out, leave it on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm so excited to show you guys this last product because it's one that I created myself, the Lengbox Cat Ears headband. How cute is this? It's super comfortable and it's really stretchy, and it fits almost any head size. I mean, I've got a pretty decent size head and it fits really comfortably. A bit of a story about these Lengbox Cat Ears headband. It took probably about 7 to 8 months of blood, sweat and tears and about 5 different companies to bring these in, which is kind of crazy because you wouldn't think that it would take that long to make and bring one product in, but here it is. I'm happy with it. I think it's perfect and it's ready to go in all your July Lengboxes. I will be super grateful if you guys would tag me in any of your selfies or your stories or posts when you're wearing your Lengbox Cat Ears headband. It's super easy to sign up. You can either sign up for a monthly box, a bi-monthly box, or if you don't want that, you can get your box delivered every 2 or 3 months. Visit lengbox.com and check it out.